T, what up, beat it, what up, beat it.
Alright, let's go. What's up guys? It is Andrew of AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this video though, I'm going to be talking about the free sample kit that I have available in the link down below. Or if you're already on the page, you can see down below, you can sign up and get access to this brand new sample kit that has 250 files, about 3.5 gigabytes of samples. All for you, all for free. You don't need to spend a single dollar. All you guys gotta do is sign up or log into your AT account right down there, and it'll redirect you to your page where you can download your free samples. In this free sample pack, I have melody loops, I have MIDI, I have drum one-shots and samples, so like FX shots, kicks, 808s, snares, claps, hi-hats, perks, a whole bunch of samples and files ready for you. Not only that, but I even included the full AT construction kit available on my website right now for a price, but I put it in this kit for free. It's a bonus. You're getting some products, full products in here as well, and then you're getting bits and pieces of other products that I am selling on the AT website, but you're getting all that for free. About 3.5 gigabytes, 250 samples. I don't know any other producer doing this, so I think it's a good opportunity to go down there, sign up, or log into your account, and then download those samples. And also, if you guys haven't seen it, we have a new sample pack called the AT MIDI and Melody Loop Kit 4. I included 10 of the master files inside this free sample pack as well. Let me know what you guys think. Glad to help you guys. Hope to hear from you guys soon.